Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the COSORI Air Fryer 4.7 liter with recipes on top. It's an extra large air fryer system. It's an oven for home use with 7 presets, preheat and keep warm function. And the awesome thing, I think it's really nice designed, and it comes with an LED one-touch tempered glass screen, non-stick basket, low-fat cooking, that's awesome, 1500 watt power, CAF L501 key, oh yeah, this is the premium version. Healthier choice with the rapid air circulation. The COSORI 4.7 liter hot air fryer cooks our favorites with up to 85% less fat than conventionally deep fried dishes, but delivers the nearly same crispy and tender taste. Faster and precise cooking is possible thanks to the wide temperature range settings from 70 up to 230 degrees Celsius. These provide more cooking choices. We can always enjoy a quick and tasty meal from 9 functions like chicken, french fries, frozen foods, steak, seafood, veggies, bacon, and the keep warm and preheat function. Also, a shake reminder function is available and an exclusive recipes included. It comes with a 30 recipe cookbook and 100 and more free online recipes on the VeSync app, the VeSync app. COSORI's Culinary R&D team is keeping to bring more possibilities, and it comes with a small size jet large capacity. With a 4.7 liter XL capacity non-stick basket, this air fryer could cook up enough for 3 up to 5 people with a 27 to 30 centimeter dimensions approximately. This only takes up a little space on the countertop, which easily stored in the closet. And Streamlined Design. This L501 air fryer adopts a unibody design. Matte texture, matched top temperature glass, LED panel, high grade and durable. As always, the one-touch operation preset non-stick basket that is dishwasher safe. For easy cleaning, we just tap to start our healthy fried day. And a newly flow design. Through the new inner flow design of this air fryer, it has lowered the noise level to maximum for 55 decibel while it's working. And this is really silent for this kind of machine. We can feel relaxed even talking beside the machine. And it is certified ETL and UL and CCC. It's a really nice designed device. This is the CAF L501 KUK, the Pro Alley 4.7 liter air fryer by COSORI. Cooking just got simple for us. Cook any food to crispy perfection in minutes with 9 different cooking functions on a sleek tempered glass display. And that's right, it comes with a high temperature range, get crisper textures in less time with temperature up to 230 degrees Celsius, and a non-stick basket. We can keep clean up the simple with the dishwasher safe non-stick basket and non-slip padding. Never worry about our air fryer scratching the counter or moving accidentally. And we have a tempered glass display, and this I think after the awesome thing to cook with it is the design with a tempered glass display. Mwah, wonderful. This makes one-touch selections on a beautiful glass display. And the noise level is awesome too. Really noise level, only 55 decibel. We carry on indoor conversations without any interruptions. And the capacity is okay, 4.7 liter. This is big. It makes enough food for the whole family in just minutes. Delicious textures, from tender medium rare steak to crunchy fried chicken. We enjoy our best texture, yet with a high temperature capacity of 230 degrees Celsius. We can make fried chicken, french fries, steak, bacon, frozen foods, seafood, veggies. The keep warm and the preheat function are available too. And an air fryer works with hot air only. Never fill the basket with oil or fat. That's awesome. Never use our air fryer without the basket in place. We do not place oversized food or metal utensils into our air fryer. We do not overfill the air fry basket. Heaping amount of the food may touch the heating coils and cause a fire hazard. But this is the same with all air fryers out there. We do not place paper, cardboards, non-heat resistant plastic or similar materials into our air fryer. We may use parchment paper or foil. And we never put the baking or parchment paper into the air fryer without food on top, and circulation can cause paper to lift and touch the heating coils. We always use heat-safe containers. Be extremely cautious if using containers that aren't metal or glass. We keep our air fryer away from flammable materials. And it is easy, as you can see, to make a setup on top of the glass panel, because there are different kind of information on it. We have the temperature display on the left side. We can choose and adjust the temperature by using the plus and the minus temperature button, which is touch. We on the right side with the time display, so we can adjust the time, how long the air fryer will work. There is the same. We have a plus and the minus button touch on the timer function. Then we have an on and off switch on the left bottom side. The preheat function is available too on it. And the preheat makes that the heat will be prepared for the right temperature level we set up before. And there's more. There is a keep warm function. The keep warm function means we can let our goods inside after cooking for warm for approximately up to 1 hour. Then we have the shake function. The shake function during cooking. We press and hold the basket release button to take the basket out of the air fryer and shake the mix or flip the food. And this will give us an information about this shaking thing, and that's awesome because it's delicious, more delicious if you shake your food while you're air frying it. And there is a play or a start and pause button touch, of course, to make a pause of the air fryer function or to start it. Then there are so many programs which you can use to make chicken, for example. 190 degrees is the default temperature. You can choose the default time is 20 minutes. And the French fries option, 195 degrees Celsius. Default time is 25 minutes. And the shake reminder is on. Frozen foods, 175 degrees Celsius, 10 minutes, job's done. Steak, 230 degrees Celsius, 6 minutes, a nice steak will be prepared. Seafood, 175 degrees Celsius, 8 minutes with shake function. Vegetables, 170 degrees Celsius, 10 minutes with shake function. Bacon, 160 degrees Celsius, 8 minutes, and only let one bacon on the layer on the bottom side. Then the preheat function is 205 degrees Celsius default temperature, and the default timer to reach that 205 is 4 minutes. The keep warm function is 75 degrees Celsius or 4 minutes or more, of course. And this keeps our delicious food for a long time nice and hot. Yeah, you have so many different possibilities to make here an awesome and delicious food and then healthier food for your own at home. This is the COSORI Air Fryer, 4.7 liter with recipes on top. It's an extra large air fryer oven for home use. 7 presets, preheat and keep warm function are available too. An LED one-touch tempered glass screen, a non-stick basket, and a low-fat cooking is possible with 1500 watt power, and that's the awesome air fryer in a nice and modern design. It comes there, the COSORI air fryer out there. This is the L501-KUK in premium version. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.